All right, y'all, so we are back here at the grocery store once again, about to do our grocery haul for our Daniel fast that Adrian and I are doing over the course of the next few weeks. So yeah, for this fast, every meal and everything that we make has to be free of animal products, as well as no added sugars or anything that's processed or refined, which is fine because we eat mostly plant-based anyway. However, you know, I'll be getting some things that we may not typically get and not getting some things that we usually get. We've also gone ahead and planned out the meals that we plan to have. I'm sharing a visual of that for you right now, so hopefully you'll be able to get in here quickly, in and out, and get back home and start doing some meal prep for the week. So let's go. So here is our final grocery haul. And as you can see, Adrian has nicely color coordinated all of the groceries. Looking very nice. Shout out to the wife.
Taste the rainbow.
Yep, taste the rainbow. We're gonna taste the rainbow for real. And so to see any of the meals or juices or snacks that we are making during our Daniel fast over the next few weeks, then click on the videos that you see here in the top right, and we'll see you over there.